Brooklyn Beckham's billionaire father-in-law is in the doghouse again as visitor to his $375 mansion, claims she was attacked by dangerous pit bull gifted by daughter Nicola. Brooklyn Beckham's billionaire tycoon father-in-law Nelson Peltz is being sued again over the dangerous pit bull gifted to him by actress daughter Nicola, the Daily Mail can reveal. The businessman only recently reached a confidential settlement in a lawsuit brought by a former housekeeper at his mansion in Palm Beach, Florida, who claimed she was viciously attacked by the family pet named Houdini. Now, the 6-year-old rescue pooch is at the center of a second court battle after a second woman visiting the $375 million oceanfront mansion claims she was bitten by him and suffered injuries. Joy Ransom is suing 84-year-old Peltz and wife Claudia, 71, claiming Houdini was on the loose in the grounds while she was there on business and suddenly launched an unprovoked attack.
Flies and gnats invading your kitchen? Plug in the Zevo Flying Insect Trap to attract and catch flying pests with blue and UV light day and night. Want to check today's Amazon deal? Scan the QR code now or visit grabdeal.us/one before it's gone.
She also hints in legal paperwork that Bates Motel star Nicola may have been with the dog, asking the couple to admit or deny the 31-year-old was present with Houdini when the alleged incident happened. Her attorneys point to the previous case in their legal filing at Palm Beach County Circuit Court, alleging the society couple should have known Houdini met the criteria for classification as a dangerous dog. Nicola Peltz poses with rescue pit bull Houdini, the dog she gifted to her billionaire father after adopting him through the animal shelter she co-founded. The billionaire tycoon, pictured with the pooch in a social media snap shared by his daughter, is now facing a fresh lawsuit from a second woman who claims Houdini attacked her. The alleged incident happened on December 23, 2025, when Houdini, without any provocation, suddenly and without warning bit and attacked Ransom while she was legally on their premises, the complaint stated. It added the couple had a duty to keep people safe from harm from their dog, and had failed to secure Houdini in a confined space. As a direct result of the defendant's negligence, Joy Ransom suffered bodily injury and resulting physical mental pain and suffering, it continued. The injuries are either permanent or continuing. The filing also alleged that before the day of the claimed bite, Houdini had, on at least one occasion, attacked Joy Ransom and other business invitees. The Daily Mail reached out to Peltz's lawyer for comment. After referring to the case brought by housekeeper Miladies Morjan, which was settled in May this year, her filing claimed the couple failed to report Houdini's dangerous propensities to the appropriate animal control authority. It also alleged they failed to obtain a registration certificate or ensure Houdini was microchipped as required by Florida state law, and did not keep him muzzled and on a leash when he was outside a proper enclosure. The new filing obtained by the Daily Mail accused parents Claudia and Nelson of failing to keep people safe from harm from their dog and securing Houdini in a confined space. Houdini was at the center of a previous lawsuit with the family's former housekeeper who claimed she was attacked at their home, though that case was settled confidentially earlier this year. Ransom is demanding a jury trial and damages of more than $50,000. The case has been brought just months after Peltz, and Morjan came to an agreement in their dispute over Houdini in the same court. Morjan had claimed in her lawsuit that she was once forced to fend off the animal using a dust stick and then hid in a room, while, in another incident, the pooch tore at her pants. The suit dragged on for 18 months after it was filed in December 2024, until a notice of settlement by Morjan's lawyers was placed with the judge on April 30. Morjan had been seeking damages of more than $75,000, although the terms of the settlement are confidential. Hollywood actress Nicola, 31, who married the eldest son of soccer legend David Beckham in a $4 million celeb pact wedding at her family home in 2022, gave Houdini to her parents from the animal shelter Yogi's House, which she co-founded. Nicola is known for her love of dogs and often shares photos with her beloved pets. She is pictured above with her beloved Chihuahua Nala, who died in 2024. The actress has been married to the eldest son of David and Victoria Beckham, Brooklyn, since 2022. In an emotional Instagram post at the time, she wrote, "This video makes me want to cry. My dad adopted Houdini at Itziaja's house dog. This is their first night as a family." Nicola had been dragged into the suit as a witness by Morjan and was due to take a video deposition, which was subsequently cancelled thanks to the settlement. Morjan claimed the actress had knowledge of the subject incident, although it's not clear if she was at the property or knew about it through her dad or mom. Court documents claim the housekeeper was effectively barred from speaking to the Peltzes and instead took all her instructions from her manager at M&M Security Inc., the agency that employed her. Part of Morjan's job involved picking up Houdini's waste, with court filings describing her duties as cleaning up after him and interacting and playing with him. At her deposition in September last year, Morjan was asked, "Did you know the people who lived at the house?" In the previous lawsuit, Peltz's lawyers had filed a motion for summary judgment arguing that a "Beware of the Dog" sign at the property entrance absolved them of any responsibility. "Yes," she replied, before the defense lawyer continued. "And would you talk to them?" "No," she answered, explaining that she took her directions from the security company. The attorney then asked, "So cleaning up after the dogs was part of your job responsibilities. If they were to go on the floor, you would clean it up. Is that fair?" Peltz's lawyers also filed a motion for summary judgment against Morjan, claiming that a "Beware of the Dog" sign at the property entrance absolved them of any responsibility. Plus, as she was an independent contractor, they had no duty to protect from injuries on the property. They also said she changed her story from the dog attacking her while she was walking towards the elevator to "a dog inside chased her," causing her to run away and fall. In response to their motion, Morjan said she used the service entrance, not the main door where the "Beware of the Dog" sign was situated. Her lawyers argued that discovery hadn't finished. Vital witnesses like Nicola had yet to be deposed, so the motion for summary judgment was premature and substantively flawed. The judge had yet to decide on this before the case was settled. In her complaint, Morjan said Houdini had a vicious nature, a vicious disposition, and/or had a propensity to attack and/or attempt attacks which was known or should have been known by the Peltzes. The alleged attacks occurred without any provocation, suddenly and without warning. She claimed to have sustained injury to her back, neck, and both of her knees, for which she had undergone multiple pain management procedures, as the defendants failed to reasonably secure, train, or supervise Houdini to prevent his attack.